This ain't one of those imaginary tunes where imaginary me meets imaginary you. It happened and it actually came true. It's not another of those made up tunes where made up me meets made up you. It happened and it actually came true. I know I was getting paranoid. It happens all the time. Maybe you mistook me for some other guy. She said, don't, let's go. I said, where? I don't care. She replied,